Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Key, the channel where learning English feels simple, friendly, and enjoyable. My name is Anna, and I am so happy to be here with you today.
Hi, Anna, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It truly feels amazing to be back with you again. I always look forward to these conversations.
Me too, David. You sound very energetic today. You sound happy and ready to talk.
I really am. I have a big bottle of water next to me, the sunlight is coming through my window, and I feel awake and ready. But, Anna, I need to be honest with everyone today.
Of course, you can always be honest here. What's on your mind?
Yesterday was not a good day for me. It was not an energetic day at all. It was actually a very difficult day.
Oh no, what happened?
I was studying something new, not English, but another subject. I opened the book, I looked at the pages, and my heart just dropped. It felt too hard. I remember thinking, David, you cannot do this. This is too difficult for you. I felt very small and very weak.
I think many people listening right now understand that feeling very well. That moment when you look at something and feel overwhelmed, when you want to close the book and walk away.
Yes, exactly. I wanted to give up. I wanted to say, this is not for me. I'm not smart enough. And that feeling stayed with me for hours.
I'm really glad you're sharing this, David, because that is exactly what we want to talk about today. Today's topic is why we should not give up, especially on the hard days. Those tired, frustrating days can actually make us stronger.
That is such an important topic, especially for people learning English. English is a beautiful language, but some days it feels like a huge mountain.
A very tall mountain. And before we start climbing that mountain together, we have a small request for our listeners.
Yes, everyone. If you enjoy our conversations, please click the like button. It takes 1 second, but it really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Key. When you subscribe, you become part of our learning family, and you won't miss our new episodes.
And please share this podcast with a friend. If you know someone who feels tired, stressed, or discouraged with English, send this to them. Let's support each other.
Thank you so much, everyone. Now, David, let's go back to yesterday. You felt like giving up. What did you do?
First, I stopped and made myself a cup of tea. Tea always helps me slow down and think. Then I remembered something my teacher once told me many years ago. She said, if something feels easy, you are not growing. If it feels hard, your brain is getting stronger.
I love that. If it feels hard, your brain is getting stronger. That's such a powerful idea.
It really is. And when I remembered that, I felt a little calmer.
It reminds me of exercise. When you go to the gym and lift something very light, it feels easy, but your muscles don't grow. But when you lift heavy weights, it feels uncomfortable, even painful sometimes, and that's how muscles grow.
Exactly. And learning English works the same way. When you listen to English and you don't understand everything, that is the heavy weight. Your brain is working hard. It feels uncomfortable, but that discomfort means growth.
Yes, that moment when you feel confused or frustrated is actually a very important moment. That's when learning happens.
That makes me feel much better about my hard day. So next time I feel frustrated, I should say, good, my brain is getting stronger.
Exactly. You can even say, hello, frustration. Thank you for helping me grow.
I really like that idea. But Anna, let's be honest, staying positive is not always easy. Sometimes we study for a long time, and the next day we feel like we forgot everything.
Oh, yes, we forget grammar, vocabulary, verbs, everything. It's very annoying.
Very annoying. It makes people think, what's the point?
But here's an important secret. You don't really forget everything. The English is still in your mind. It's just sleeping.
Sleeping? I like that. So the English is taking a nap in my brain.
Exactly. And every time you practice, you gently wake it up. Even learning one new word in one day is a victory.
A small victory. I think many learners forget to celebrate small victories.
I agree completely. Many people think I am not fluent, so I am failing. But that's not true. Ask yourself, are you better than last month? Better than last year?
If the answer is yes, then you are winning.
Exactly.
I remember my first day learning a new language. I could only say hello and thank you. Now I can have conversations. I still make mistakes, but I'm moving forward.
And mistakes are wonderful. Mistakes mean you are trying. If you never make mistakes, you are staying in the safe, easy zone.
And the easy zone is very boring.
Very boring. Growth happens outside that zone.
Anna, what about people who say they have no time? They work, they have families, they are tired, and English feels like too much.
That's very common. My advice is simple. Don't look at the whole mountain. Just look at your feet. Take one small step.
Like 5 minutes of English?
Yes, 5 minutes is better than zero. One song, one short video, one page, one sentence. On hard days, you don't need to run. You just need to not stop.
I love that. You don't need to run, you just need to not stop.
Exactly. It's like walking in the rain. Slow, uncomfortable, but you're still moving toward home.
That's a beautiful example. And in those very hard moments when everything feels heavy, I believe it's important to remember our hearts. I personally find peace when I trust God.
That's true. Sometimes we try to carry everything alone.
Yes, God knows our hearts. He sees our effort even when we feel weak. When we feel like we can't continue, we can ask for strength.
That gives me hope. Knowing that we are not alone makes the mountain feel smaller.
Learning English is not just about words, it's about connection, opportunities, and opening your world.
And that's why we shouldn't give up. Giving up closes doors. Opening opens them.
Exactly. Imagine all the people you will talk to in the future because you didn't give up today.
That's very motivating. So let me remember, 1, my brain is getting stronger. 2, small steps matter. 3, trust God. 4, rest.
Yes, rest, but don't quit. Rest is not the same as giving up.
Like a runner who stops to drink water but stays in the race.
Perfect example.
Talking about this makes me feel stronger already.
Me too. And to everyone listening, it's okay to be slow. It's okay to be a beginner. The only real failure is stopping completely.
We are not stopping. We are moving forward one word at a time.
And we are doing it together. This channel is a family.
A global family. People from so many countries learning together.
And no one is alone in their struggle.
So if today is hard for you, please remember this. You are doing a great job.
Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday.
If you learned one new word today, you are the winner of the day.
I love that. Winner of the day.
Time flies when we talk about meaningful things.
It really does. Before we go, let's quickly remember our main ideas.
Frustration means growth.
Small steps are powerful.
Rest, don't quit.
Trust God and believe in yourself.
And mistakes are your friends.
Perfect summary. Thank you so much, Anna.
Thank you, David, and thank you to everyone listening.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell us what you do when you feel like giving up, or share a small victory from this week.
We can't wait to read your stories.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you are getting stronger every day.
Don't give up. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.